This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox games that are unavailable. First, it's important to understand why a game might disappear. Sometimes, developers remove games, or Roblox itself takes them down due to policy violations or technical issues. This guide will help you navigate these challenges, offering practical advice to potentially revisit those cherished, but currently inaccessible, experiences. We'll cover several methods to try and bring those games back into play. One primary method involves using a virtual private network, commonly known as a VPN. A VPN allows you to connect to the internet through a server in a different geographical location, effectively making it appear as if you are browsing from there. This can bypass regional restrictions that might be preventing you from accessing certain games. Select a reputable VPN provider, connect to a server in a suitable country, and then try launching your desired Roblox game. Another avenue to explore is the vast Roblox community itself. Often, when a popular game becomes unavailable, dedicated fans or archival groups might create re-uploads or private servers. These community efforts aim to preserve the game for others to enjoy. You might find these on specific forums or fan-run websites. Always be extremely careful, though, as unofficial sources can sometimes pose security risks to your device or account. Prioritize your online safety above all else. Before attempting any of these methods, it's crucial to consider important safety precautions. Roblox has strict terms of service, and using third-party tools or unofficial clients could potentially lead to account suspension. Furthermore, downloading files from unverified sources carries significant risks, including malware or phishing attempts. Always ensure your antivirus software is up to date and be extremely cautious about what you download or install. Your online safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.